Let's get to work. Alright, so pretty much what I will be doing is just cleaning out the inside. I'll be ripping things off, clean everything up. So we're pretty much disassembling the whole car here, or a majority of it, because turbo's gonna come out, intakes are gonna come off, pulleys are gonna come off. Let's get to work. Honestly, if I'm just disassembling things, I might go grab the electric ratchet, because I'm not too worried about breaking anything off. I actually don't see it anywhere, unless it's like in one of these cars, which I like doubt. Nothing in there. All right, we're cooked. It's fine. All right, intercooler's gonna come off. We're gonna take that off. I think it's like a 10. It's kind of shit that I actually don't have that, but whatever. Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure one's even like an 11. It's really stupid. Dude, I'm gonna take the gun instead. Take the little gun. I don't even think it'll fit in there, but no way the electric ratchet. Aha! Got like all this garbage gets to come off. Like, these are disgusting. Like, this is like a lower, like, I think there's a 13 on that bolt, and this one's like a 10. Yeah, it's all mixed matched and just like stupid as hell. I'll loosen up the AN fitting. That's probably easy. Take off that boost line. Are these 12s or are these? I think they're 10s. I suck at remembering which things are which. I'm terrible at it. I won't lie. This one's probably a 12. This one was a 12. Oh, took the nut off too far. Okay, this is like a, I don't even know. Let's see. It's with a 12. It's definitely a 13. All right, let's get that off. Can I get this off as one unit, or is it gonna slip out from here instead? It slipped out from there instead. All right, intercooler's off. Right, intercooler's off. Gives me a little bit more room to mess with this over here. Leave my 10 back, put the 12 over here. That was a little rusted, that's for sure. I say I don't want to lose these. Wow. Okay, I think I found out why my hood's not latching. Okay, that's off, that's off. I'm gonna have to finagle like an extension into there to get that last throttle body bolt off. Can I tell you? Oh yeah, perfect. The extension tech work. I'm gonna have to drain. Wait, why do I care? The whole thing's gonna come off now. Like, upper intake's coming off, lower intake's coming off. Like, I'll take the intakes off because I want to get that powder coated and fixed, because like that looks like garbage. That looks like garbage. Yeah, okay. We'll take that off. I'll get that sorted. Okay, I'm gonna quickly go grab pliers so we can get the boost lines off. What the hell was that? The crow just screamed that loud? Okay. Am I gonna remember all these boost lines and where they go? Maybe. I'll know what they all do. Anyone drop this bolt? Remember how I said I don't want to drop this bolt? Yeah, I literally immediately dropped it. Only thing I can do is pray that it went underneath the car. The one in the middle there. All right. Well. Oh, there we go. The air temperature sensor needs to be unplugged. What else on this side? TPS needs to be unplugged. There we go. Where's the TPS? Always. Why is it always so hard? When this ran like 4 minutes, I've already forgotten what I was gonna do. Pliers, throttle body coolant line. All right, throttle body. Nonsense. With the upper intake is off. Okay, downpipe needs to come out. Downpipe comes out. I can take the lower intake manifold off. And then the turbo setup will be out. I will be able to take off the... I mean, I can do this now. I think we'll do it second. Makes most sense. All right, now this is actually gonna be like a rough city right here. Like this is actually the rough city. Okay. Like, yeah, this is gonna be like practically welded on. I'm gonna tap this. Perfect. A little bit of a time skip. I've completely removed the whole turbo side here. All turbo parts are gone now. Disconnected all the lines. Radiator's out too. So that's done. I didn't really want to waste time showing it all because this is also a cleaning video too. So I have to still rip out this side and then get to working on cleaning the engine bay. But anyways, let's start working on knocking out this whole power steering pump side. I'm gonna take the belts off and then all the pulleys off. Okay, that should be enough to just get the belt off. One belt off. Oh yeah, okay. I actually really want to take this off and paint it. All these like bolts. Or maybe even find a new bolt. I don't know. How do you get rid of rust on bolts? Any experts? Okay, that's off. If anyone knows, I bought the race only like pulley set. So it's the alternator, power steering pump, new idler, new main crank too, new water pump as well. I have the Pineapple Racing idler pulley here, and apparently with the race only ones you don't need to run the idler pulley. I don't know how much I trust not running the idler pulley. I mean, worst case, the engine blows. That's a pretty bad worst case. It's one pulley off. What can I start ripping off here, and what am I forced to leave? Harness for the coils. All right, socket bomb coil harness is out. Then it looks like there's just one 10mm bolt holding it in. Unplug all these leads. And they're still this oily. AM coils. Drunk in Margaritaville. Okay, that's the power steering pump off. Get that cleaned up and out of there. Let's figure this out. Okay, crank, top one. Crank is gone. Cam is the bottom one. That's known. These are grounds. This is no, it's a knock sensor. This is front rotor primary. That's the boost sensor. Okay, water temperature sensor is gone. I'm just saying these out loud so I remember them. Fan, thermostat switch or whatever is out. Rear primary is out. What else is here? That should be everything. Disconnect the fuel feed, disconnect the fuel return, take off the primary fuel oil as one unit. Also, this gives me time to look at why that this fitting in this hose is super loose. 3, 2, 1. Primary fuel oil is off. Just gotta get it off the thing. There we go. Alternator is off. Boom. Oh, just like that. Is this? I didn't know this was the stock pulley system looked like. Cool. All right, that's off. Yeah, intake's blocked off. Hey, how's it going?
Good, you alright?
I'm doing good. Little side quest there. All right, this is the only air hose I could find. That intake's blocked off. That intake's blocked off. All that's blocked off. That's blocked off. Okay, let's get to work. We're just gonna blow out everything. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna spray just degreaser on like this side, just to see how well it would clean it up. And to get a rag, actually there's a rag there. I'll just spray it here and then wipe it really quick so it doesn't go on the floor. So it's gonna be more than just spraying degreaser. Obviously, degreaser's not gonna get rid of, what, how old is this car now? What, 95? Yeah, 30 years almost. Yeah, obviously it's not gonna get all of it out, but I mean, that's a good start. All right, so that's pretty much all I can do today. I need that pan right now, so we're gonna leave that for another day. Sun's also setting, so it's not too good. So got the alternator out, fuel system out, ignition system out, power steering pumps out. Couple things in the way, but that's not gonna be too bad to work around just for cleaning. We'll be degreasing and then pressure washing next part. That's gonna happen for you guys instantly, but for me in a day or two, so see you then. All right, day 2, engine degreaser time. I've got a bunch of stuff from Canadian Tire. I'm ready to get those spill mats under there, a bunch of different degreasers to try. I'm gonna spray it in, use a brush, try to like brush everything. Just let the degreaser soak into the car and then pressure wash it out. It's pretty bright right now, so we're just gonna get to work. Exhaust ports blocked off, intake ports blocked off. Back to spraying. Wow, it's already making this aluminum thing hella shiny. One more spritz. Now we move on to this side. Alright, so it is the next day. This is the engine bay as it sits right now. I think I got a decent amount of stuff cleaned up. I'm just trying to get different angles for the camera so you can really see everything that got cleaned. So I think everything got cleaned up pretty well. I think the only thing that's left to do, you can actually finally see motor mounts. But I think the only thing that's left to do now is to clean this harness up with some degreaser. This harness, the charging harness over there, that's down in the hole right now. I also want to take these metal shields off and kind of give them just like a sand. I have some like high temp black paint. I might just repaint them a little because they kind of are looking rough and rusty. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I have nothing else to say here other than, damn, this engine bay is finally clean. Like I can, well, oh, I shouldn't have done that. I put some wax on there. I can actually like touch the thing and my hands won't get like covered in grease and oil. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video where I do the install for literally everything. I think I'll start with putting the ignition system back in, work on the AC, just the compressor into there. Then we'll switch over and go to the turbo side and get that turboloan internal wastegate manifold in, get that all set up on the block, and then we'll do the Greddy V-mount after. So it should be fine. Each video will be segmented. I have no idea when it'll be posted. I kind of have to, I don't know if you guys saw the state of the garage while I was walking in and out, but there's a lot of stuff in there and I'd like the car to be inside so I can actually work on it. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for updates. See ya.